Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Anubandham class, I would like to listen from each and every one of you, one by one, how you felt about this class and what was the experience that you had. So mention your name and from where you're speaking and then continue.
Guruji,
Yes, yes, Gunjan. Yes, hello.
how are you? Thank you for this wonderful, overwhelming, beautiful meditation. Guruji, for the hill meditation, I want to ask you a question. A long time back, when I had consulted you on an online consultation, you had said that suppose, let's say, my son is creating a problem for not studying or by not listening, he goes down the hill and I wait for him to come back.
Yeah, if you
So,
feel uncomfortable sending them away, you can do. But actually, there's no problem at all in
there's
sending
no
them away,
problem.
also. Yes, there's no problem.
Okay, but
Only if you don't feel like doing it that way, then you can bring him back as a changed
okay,
person.
as a changed person, that is what I wanted to clear.
Yeah, you
So
can do.
I can visualize that, right,
Yeah,
Guruji?
yeah, sure.
Thank you,
So
Guruji.
very good,
Thank you,
very good.
Guruji, so much for this wonderful
Thank you,
blessing.
Gunjan. Very nice. So it must be quite late
Thank
for
you.
you now.
No, Guruji, I am in Delhi. I came for my
You're in
father's
Delhi.
heart
Okay,
surgery.
okay. So then no
I'll be
problem.
flying by March.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Guruji.
All the best.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Greetings to you, Guruji.
Yeah,
This is
greetings.
Akshaya from Bangalore.
Yes, yes.
Again, thank you for this wonderful meditation. It was indeed a very blissful meditation, like the inner child meditation and the cosmic communication meditation. I actually had zero thoughts in the, what do you say, cosmic communication meditation. So, thank you so much, Guruji, for this
Very good.
wonderful
Wonderful,
experience.
wonderful. My blessings. I'm glad you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Anuradha from Chennai.
Yes.
It was a very, very nice meditation, and it was what I needed right now. And I really felt very nice, especially the last part, the both inner child and meeting the inner child and Anubandham felt very, very nice. Thank you, Guruji, for this wonderful meditation.
Very good. I'm so happy that you liked it and you enjoyed it. So thank you very much for sharing.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
I'm Sumati,
Yes, yes. Namaste.
Bangalore.
Okay.
So this meditation was really good. I'm a very sensitive person, so this will definitely help me a long way, and so that people will not hurt me
Sure,
because
sure.
anything anybody says, I get hurt easily.
Okay, okay.
So this will help a lot. Thank you so much, Guruji. for
Thank you
the
very, very much. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Namaste.
Yeah, namaste. Was it Swarna Lakshmi, is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Carry on.
Ma'am, while doing cosmic meditation, I said regarding that job, I feel somewhat happy that I thought I am the reason for was thinking that person got job, I'm not got job.
Okay,
That
okay.
is just graded over. Then inner child was so good, ma'am. So,
Yeah.
so when I was experiencing
Everybody
that
really likes, yes.
that time I was feeling like I was down and so sensitive. Till now they will be telling that I am not even matured enough. So now I can able to overcome that.
Okay. Good. Very good, very good. Thank you very much for sharing. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste,
Yeah,
This is
namaste.
Sangeeta from Hyderabad.
Sangeeta, yes, Sangeeta.
Yeah, actually, I should say my core intention was to get rid of the grief. So
Okay.
as soon as I realized that being an Alpha Siddha, I could realize that something was not right. But the psychic energy or Amrit Siddhi was not helping me in spite of continuously doing. Even after chakra cleansing, I could sense that something was blocking me.
Okay.
So, and immediately I was getting this message in the group about this Anubandham. So I felt that divine was leading me here.
True, very true.
So the actual purpose of this was the inner child, addressing the inner child. So that was the best thing, and cosmic communication. So
Very good. Very good, very good. Please practice cosmic communication. Feel very good. Yeah.
Yeah, I keep doing that, ma'am. Ho'oponopono. So
Yes, yes, yes. Keep doing it. It really helps a lot. It clears out a lot from the mind. Keep doing. Okay.
this was really good. So and the initial things, whatever factors you were mentioning, like the criticism from the family members, and how family members like address you. So I've gone through all these things, but I'm kind of like healed from that. But this grief was actually sinking me in.
Okay.
So the feel of like being an orphan. So I suddenly that thought came in my mind, like there is no one for us. So that is really relieved today. So I'm really thankful. Thank you so much.
I really hope you get rid of all those feelings with these meditations and feel very happy and good. Very good, very good. Thank you very, very much. All the 3 meditations will be enabled in the mobile app, so you can listen to them. Okay, right. Okay, thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yes, namaste.
Ritika from Delhi.
Yes, Ritika. Yes.
Ma'am, thank you so much for today's meditation. It was really like such a feel-good feeling, ma'am.
Okay. True, true. That is true.
Ma'am, especially for cosmic communication, when you talked about like acknowledging our own role in like whatever issues we were facing, that was really enlightening, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. Wonderful. Thanks for joining us. Thank you so much. Right.
Thank you.
Hari Om Mother.
Hari Om, yes. How are you, Ritushri?
Good. Actually, this is very again sorted out. And actually, I have no idea about online classes.
Okay.
And this is the first time I'm doing online meditation. And what I had doubt is like whether I would feel the same ambience and same goodness when I was with Mataji in the hot meditation in front of us. I felt the same ambience. It was like same as if we are sitting in front of and we are sitting in the hall and enjoying meditation.
Okay.
Yeah. And the second thing is cosmic communication. First about the relationship that helps me to outpour and forgive myself and forgive my relationship. And this is my tiny personal meditation. I was seeing Lakshmi for a long time.
Okay.
For a week about all the feedback, and finally I spoke to my husband. He said, okay, you're right, I need to take it. And finally, it helped me a lot, and it helped a lot.
Sure. Very good. Very good. I'm so happy to hear that. Thank you very, very much. Very nice. Thanks for joining. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Chitra?
Somebody started.
Yeah.
Vidubala.
Yes, Vidubala. Yes. Carry on.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
First, I want to thank you very much. You are doing a wonderful service to us. I lost my husband last 8 months back. So I am totally upset and my energy is very low nowadays. But when doing this Anubandham, I feel that I could connect them and I told them that you have done everything very good and I feel better now.
Okay.
And I could connect to my favorite God also. So I feel blessed. And when I say I am sorry, please forgive me everything. I told something like I am connecting to my husband, and I told whatever I did something wrong, say sorry to him because I couldn't treat him right. So I feel this is a communication I can make him, and I thank him for whatever he did for us.
Okay. Okay, I'm so happy it
really
helped you that way
nice.
also. Very good. I'm so happy. Really enjoy the meditation. Do as much as you can. I'm sure it will clear out whatever you're feeling and make you feel more comfortable and face the reality. You know, get back to your own life. That is good. Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Chitra, I'm Chitra from Bombay.
Okay.
I've been actually looking forward to doing this.
Okay.
And I'm very grateful I could do this. Yes, I like the cosmic child. No, the cosmic and the inner child.
The child. Okay.
And I feel I don't have too many things to say. It's just that I've, like going through the whole program, I realized I've been blessed with loving and wonderful family.
Good, very good, very good.
And all positive events. I just have to work on myself.
Okay.
I think these meditations will help me.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing.
Yeah, it's Madhuri from Bangalore.
Yes, Madhuri. Yes.
Yeah, the inner child was a totally new concept, and I really enjoyed doing that.
Okay.
And I have been suffering from cancer, and there was a recurrence. But now I feel that I can cure myself once for all. Totally.
Sure, definitely.
Thanks a lot, Guruji.
Okay, carry on with the meditations. I'm sure you'll get healed. Okay, all the best. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Pavitra from Chennai.
Yes, Pavitra.
I hope you read my text.
Yeah, I read your text. Yes, I did read it. Maybe we should just meet for a counseling, one online session.
Okay.
Then maybe I can help you that way even better than just, during the class we can't really share much. So that is why you talk to my staff and fix up an appointment and let us meet once and let's see what best we can do. Before that, maybe you can even try the cosmic communication for some time and see how it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
I really feel re-energized after the meditation.
Good, very good.
I can see the difference.
Excellent. That is really good. Very good. So carry on with that. Thank you very much.
I'm Ekta from Salem.
Okay.
And namaste, ma'am. How are you?
Namaste. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. And the class was very nice. I like the Anubandham meditation. It was very relaxing and peaceful.
Okay.
I wanted to ask you if this is a good meditation for finding a good partner, life partner.
You can do the cosmic communication for that. Anubandham is to get rid of any emotion which is troubling you, along with the people.
Okay.
So that's a different concept. But cosmic communication can remove a lot of, it can erase data. And when it comes to marriage, nowadays I find boys and girls find it very difficult to get into a married life because they have all these preconceived notions. So the fear is there. So cosmic communication can help you there. It can erase all unwanted thinking. So that, when you try to attract the right person, then you can visualize that you're happily married. So those two will really help you.
And madam, I feel a lot of jerks in meditation at times. Why is that?
When energy flows through you, sometimes if there are some blockages in the nadis, it can just break those blockages and flow. Then suddenly you feel some jerks. Suddenly you may experience more energy. That's why.
So what do I do for this?
No, you just experience, just enjoy it. There's nothing wrong about it unless you become very uncomfortable. If you have goosebumps and you feel very uncomfortable, if it becomes like that, then create an energy ball around yourself mentally and just say rotate at the speed of lightning. So when the energy ball rotates and dissolves, your energy will get balanced automatically. Okay.
Thank you.
So thanks very much to one and all, each and every one of you who joined us here today. And I would like to get more feedback from all of you because that is more important for me. This is a very important class. I'm sure you would have realized it by now. Other classes are there. Every class is very important. But in this class, we work on ourselves, more on ourselves. So that I think is the base. The inner transformation, getting rid of the unnecessary data within us. All this is going to definitely make a new person emerge from within you, a better person. So work on yourself, continue with the meditations, with that mantra, and please write your feedback to me by mail or in the group or wherever you can, so that I will also know how you're doing with the meditations. Thank you very much for joining us.